Rain falls down on shattered ground, cold winds blow without a sound. Feeling low beneath the gray, hoping for a brighter day. Outside we watch the clouds collide, inside memories try to hide. Dark thoughts rise with every sigh. Butterflies will soon take flight. Tomorrow